Anthem family, Dave here, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. Hey, so you probably already know that we offer free mounting, free balancing, free shipping to get your wheel and tire package to your door anywhere in the lower 48 states. Free mounting, free balancing, free shipping. This is a hell of a deal. But did you also know that we recently started offering guaranteed delivery dates? So before you even order your wheel, you will see right there in big bold letters on the website exactly when your wheel and tire package is going to be delivered. So when you visit anthemwheels.com and you enter your year, make, and model of your vehicle, you will see a filtered list of wheels that fit specifically your vehicle. And the default sort feature is by delivery date. So that is which wheels are going to get to your door the soonest. But it doesn't just stop at wheels. If you're looking for a wheel and tire package, we can also guarantee when that full package, the wheels, the tires, mounted, assembled, put together, ready to arrive at your door, so that you know when they're gonna be, that wheel and tire package is going to be at your doorstep, ready to mount on your vehicle. So if our guaranteed delivery date maybe isn't quite soon enough for you, maybe you need that guaranteed delivery a little bit sooner because you've got a show coming up, or you've got a road trip coming up, or you're trying to schedule a lift kit for your vehicle, we also offer a 7-day delivery option. Now you will have to chip in a little bit of cash depending on the wheel and tire package to bump you in front of everybody else, but we can get your wheel and tire package mounted and balanced and to you within that 7-day period. Guys, this is a hell of a deal. And if you are anything like me, you wait until the last possible minute because you've got 100 other priorities going on in your life to get that wheel and tire package complete and get it ordered. And now you'll know exactly when it's going to arrive at your doorstep.